Hi there, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy a dahlia flower wreath. I'm going to be using poly burlap. This poly burlap is a burgundy color. It's really, really pretty. It's a new color out, and I have wood burned my pieces at 10 by 10. Okay, so the cutting of the edges are done with a wood burner. You could also use an impulse sealer. This just prevents further fraying because poly burlap is very well known for fraying. Okay, so you have your 10 by 10 piece, and I'm going to have it curl up. Now I have placed some of my pieces under a glass board and a weight on it, so it is a little bit flatter. It's easier to work with when it is flatter. Okay, I'm going to turn this into a diamond. Now I'm making sure that my finished edge, which is right here and right here, the bottom one is to the right where my tattoo is. It's easier to remember that. And the top one is to the left. This is important to make sure that every petal looks the same. So if you're going to do it where the bottom is at the left and the top is at the right, make sure every petal is done like that. I just use my tattoo for reference to keep, so I always remember. Okay, once you have it in a diamond shape, I have these cool little clips, and you can use clothespins. These little sewing clips are really, really inexpensive on Amazon. There is a link on my Lori's Favorite Tools that you can go and check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom corner, and I'm going to meet it right with the top corner. And I'm going to put one of these little clips right on the corner just to keep it in place. So you can use a clothespin. I just find, like I said, these are really, really, they hold really nice. And you're going to flatten your triangle out. So this is the formation that you have. And then what you're going to do is going to bring this right corner over and match it up with the left one, and just make a little crease right in the center. Okay, and this is just going to be for reference. Open it back up, and I can still see my crease. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the right tip and just bring it right over just a little bit past, 1/8 of an inch past the crease. Okay, and then I'm going to take the left side and do the exact same thing, just a little bit over the crease. And this is what we have so far. And then I'm going to, I flipped it so that the point is to the right. And then I'm going to take the edge and just bring it right to the center, just like that, and bring this edge to meet this one right in the center. Okay, so you can see right like that. Okay, and now you're just going to scrunch. So you have a little knob there, and that is your petal. Now I like to pre-make my petals. It's much easier to put into the board, and I just use these little rubber bands or elastic bands from the dollar store. They're in the hair section. You get like 500 for $1. They're really handy when you just want to sit and pre-make petals and watch a movie. And then once you get your petals made, we just put them right into the board. So I'll go over that again with another one. Okay, so here again is a 10 by 10 piece. I got it curled up. My bottom and top, the bottom is on the right, top is on the left. I'm going to take my bottom corner, bring it right up to meet the top corner. Get my little clip. And we're going to flatten this out. Okay, bring it over, and we're going to make our crease just down at the bottom, just so you can see approximately where the middle is. Bring the right corner just a little bit over that crease. The left, again, over the right there, but it's still a little bit over the crease there. And then you're gonna take the edge, bring it into the center, And then take this edge and bring it into the center, not over top, just meeting. They're both just meeting right in the center. All right, and then scrunch. Now, if you didn't want to use elastic bands, you can stick this right into the board and make your petals and make your wreath as you're going along. And they're both exactly the same. So if you do this method and take your time, all your petals will look exactly the same, just like this.